The day started off with negative 19-degree Fahrenheit weather, so I thought it'd be a perfect day for a drive-through in Minnesota. Spray down the car windows with a mist of water.
It's already frozen. I need to go back inside and thaw this out.
You'll see that the water will freeze quickly and the layers will build up.
Frozen again. Keeps freezing up, so I think we're going to be done.
Now we're going to move the car into the garage and try to unstick the ice from the glass with a hairdryer.
So you can see it won't roll down until we have melted the ice a little bit. Alright, the back window cracked a little bit as I was trying to get it down, but we should be ready to go. Yeah, that didn't work out for this first one. Whoops.
Hi, what can I get for today?
Can I get 2 plain hamburgers and a large fry?
Anything else?
That's it.
Okay, well, thank you.
Thank you.
Are they ready?
Go. Yep, go.
Thank you.
Make sure to subscribe and watch more Minnesota cold and how-to videos of ours.